Good morning. Ready to go to Denny's?
Yeah!
I've never seen a Denny's like this.
I fucking love Denny's. So we are in a place called Dale, which is really close to Austin, and it's a place called Rally Ready, and it's a rally school.
We pretty well self-regulate them.
But yeah, I mean, there's still some things that happen, and people take responsibility. Like that's why you say waiver, you know what I mean? Like that's part of the
Hey bro, we've met before. So we're out here on the street talking to this man about some scooters, and it turns out this fine gentleman works at
Rally Ready.
Rally Ready. And where are we gonna go tomorrow?
Rally motherfucking ready.
Rally motherfucking ready. It's a small world after all. This gentleman too. This lady too. Did you find? I mean, am I invited to the wedding or what?
Oh, maybe.
This is too good to be true. This is too good to be true. So RR, that's Rally Ready.
Rally Ready.
You know where we're gonna go tomorrow?
Rally Ready.
See ya.
Man, I love the place. It's amazing. Hey, what's up, brother? Same faces, different environment,
Right,
huh?
no doubt.
Man, you guys live the dream out here, man. It's fantastic.
Yeah, it is awesome.
It's not working. So people come out here and they can rent these cars and they can get like classes and
Yeah,
stuff.
so this is a class car. This is with a rear-wheel drive car. And then we have another Subaru here, which is one of our more advanced all-wheel drive cars.
Yeah.
LDK. It's like a ride and drive rental car, basically, as well.
Oh, cool, man.
Yeah.
So what's the website? What should people look at?
Oh, rallyready.com.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
real good. RallyReady.com.
Yeah,
Good.
nice and easy.
We can blame it on hitting it. So stop here.
Oh, yeah.
It's fine. You can have a half car length start ahead because.
Want me to back up?
No,
Like,
fuck
yeah,
no.
I
There's
know
no rules.
sarcasm when I see it, man.
No, I like to party, dude. There's
no start line.
Remember when we made the rules? Me neither.
Yep.
All right.
Tell me what's up.
We're ready to go. Magic 95's got us in the mood.
The romance. Now we're talking. Yep.
I'm ready to go. Go for it. We're rolling. I just started timing and you started driving, so let's go.
I'm about to get roasted. Got a little barrier set up. And here he comes.
What's up?
What's up?
We're just playing around with the car, showing it off. Like I told some of the other guys that don't have their own cars that they're welcome to drive it tomorrow if they feel like driving.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's your kind of thing?
Drift car.
I think it's every drifter's kind of thing.
Yeah.
It's basically like a basic bitch. It's just like going to Starbucks and ordering a vanilla caramel.
What's your opinion about the car, Bobby? Tell me.
LXZs S13 suck.
This is
But I
going.
still like
this
it.
is going
It's-
straight to
no,
no,
the
no,
best- have
no.
you seen
I'm
the best
editing.
thing?
I'm editing it. Like
That's
this.
fine. No,
this
leave
is
it
not
in
gonna
there.
be in the
I will,
video.
I will take it to my grave. All the old school drift guys can hate me. I don't care. But this though, did he show you this? Look at this. Excuse me, boys. Excuse me. Oversized. There is not a crack on this S13.
Yeah, I know. And
At all.
did you also see that they converted it to like normal seat belts instead of the weird ones?
Yeah, no,
Those are the
yeah.
worst.
That's the biggest reason why I hate those cars. It's 'cause
But I
it's
love
like,
this.
you
You
do
know,
that, it's like.
if I would ever get an S chassis, it was going to be like this body. Like I love that so much. Good morning. Now I gotta go wash my car, man. It's ridiculous.
Oh, it's so wet over here.
I can't get a break, you know. So we were at the rally school yesterday and the car got really dusty. So I was like gonna get out real early to wash it. And all these guys got fantastic luck because a nice rain washed everybody's car. Like, look, it's perfect. Whose car looks like fucking dusty as shit? Of course, of course. Nice and dry, of course, you know. Fuck my life.
15 right now. Brian is driving in front of me with the Z3 and we're heading to Speedsportz in Houston, which is our next track on Drift Week. We had a fantastic time so far, but the past days were just massive traveling. We did over 1,000 miles, maybe 1,300 miles. And now it's finally time to start drifting again. See you guys on the track as always. So we are out here at Speedsportz, North Houston. Everybody is showing up. Obviously all the Corvettes and all the chasers and Japanese cars. Fantastic stuff. So far the car is running really strong. They've got 93 up here compared to Arizona where it was like 91 fuel, and you can really feel the difference in the car.
If you do it 5 feet early, that's fine. It's not a big deal. Just, this is the general zone of...
And that was Houston. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out driftjesus.com. See you on the next episode.